we're going to write an equation in slope point form using the slope, which in this problem is -3, and a point, as my voice cracks, -2, 5. Okay, so again, slope point form would look like this: y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And like you guys said, we're going to take the slope and put it in for m. So that would be -3 right there. And the point goes in for x1 and y1. So this would be x1, this will be y1. So this becomes -2, this becomes 5. Let's see what that looks like. So it'll be y minus 5 equals -3 times x
Okay.
plus 2, because it's minus -2. Sorry. Thank you.
Oh, I see how that works.
Okay, there you go. There's a line in slope point form. Tough? No, hopefully not. Okay. B asks us to write, that was A. B asks us to write this in slope-intercept form. How do you do that? How do you write anything in slope-intercept form? Anytime you want to turn it into slope-intercept form, what do you do?
Solve for y.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Solving for y.
Thank you. So,
Wait, how do you do that?
how do we do that using this, what we have so far?
You go x plus 2.
Is y by itself yet?
No.
No, so I got to bring over the 5, right?
Oh man.
So that is -3 times x plus 2 plus 5. It's not quite in slope-intercept form because we don't have number times x plus number. Right? So what do you think that we're going to have to do? Dominic, you had a good suggestion. Don't remember what you said? Okay.
Oh, should you multiply by x?
Yeah, multiply in that 3 to both terms. Distribute it. Okay? So that gives us -3x minus 6 plus 5. Add the -6 and the 5.
-1.
Does that look like slope-intercept form? Yeah. Quick quiz. Which point do you think that line would go through? What's the point we used to create the line?
-2.
Yeah, this point, right? So if we graphed it, that point should be on the line. That'd be a nice way of testing whether or not this is actually correct. Follow me? So, let's do that. Alright, so turn your calculator on. Let's graph the line. What is it? -3x minus 1. Again, what point should it go through? -2, 5. If it does, we know we're probably right. Okay? Everybody got the same thing? Okay, zoom 6, just to make things look nice. How do I find whether or not it goes through -2, 5?
Oh, range.
Trace.
Trace. Trace, and I put in -2. And if I get 5 for y, I know I did everything right. Kind of like cheating.
Oh, it's exactly like
Hold your
cheating.
breath. Oh man, there we go.
We cheated, guys.
Good job. Make sense?
Yeah.
So slope point form, guys, don't miss this. This is important. Slope point form is really good for when you have a point and a slope. And you want to create an equation really, really fast. Okay, it's kind of like the fast food version of all three types of equations of a line. It's really quick. Pardon me? Why isn't it popular?
Fast food's popular.
Because it's kind of like a gateway to turning it into the other two forms, which you can do a lot more with. The only really useful thing this form has is just making the equation really, really quick.
And putting it into another equation.
And then from there, you can turn it into either slope-intercept form or general form, find your intercepts and slope, things like that.